Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Today on the channel I am going to shoot when I was making the arrow video that I would do a little bit of dim lighting. Well, the sun has dropped a little bit here and I'm hoping that it's just dark enough that you guys could see the arrows fly. And what I'll do is shoot the blue ones and then I'll shoot the red ones. This way you guys could determine which ones you would like and which ones you think are better in flight or nicer to see in flight. So here is the three blue ones, and what I'll do is shoot the target from the upper left hand corner down to the right hand corner, and that's the order I'll go in, so this way you guys could watch and check it out. And here's 3 tips for you. Tip number 1 is have a good anchor point when shooting your bow, and use the same anchor point all the time. Tip number 2. Is your grip. I shoot with an open grip all the time. I shoot like this, so watch this video or this part of the video and you'll see my hands open. So I never really squeeze the bow. It's very light grip. If you choose to keep your fingers on the grip, then do so. But I shoot open-handed and I have a bow sling. Number 3 for you, and the last arrow, is follow through. Always follow through on your shot, and you want to be consistent with that, so this way when you shoot all the time your follow through will have the same arrow placement. And the reason why I'm going at 3 different bullseye is because I do not want to ruin my my Nocks. Okay, now what I'll do is demonstrate the red arrow Nocks. And remember the 3 tips I told you earlier: grip, anchor point, follow through. Well, that one I dropped a little bit. That was me. Well, it's starting to get dark now out here, so I'm going to cut the video off here. I didn't get as much good footage as I wish I could. It got dark a little bit too quick on me. But here is what the arrows look like when they're all lit up. Like a Christmas tree. Well, I hope this helps all you guys out on determining colors or choices you would like to use. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up. And I'm Joe, and driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll it. Wicked Fabs!